Question 29. Write 6/8 as a percentage. There are a few ways you can approach this question, but one of the easiest is to simplify this fraction. 6/8. We can half both of these numbers, which would leave us with 3/4, known as 3/4. This is one of the most common percentages which you're expected to recognize, such as a half being 50%, a quarter being 25%, and 3/4 must be 3 lots of 25%, which is 75%. So your answer for this is 75%. The other way would be to do a division, which is what we're going to do for part B. Part B asks us to write 3/8 as a decimal. Now it would be very easy to memorize eighths, because this is a very common fraction that you're expected to know. However, if you can't remember it, what you can do is to do a simple division, 3 divided by 8, knowing that that line can also mean divide as well as out of. So I'm going to use the bus stop method for this. We've got plenty of space to work this out. I'm going to take the number 3 and divide it by 8, knowing that this could be quite a long number because 8 doesn't fit into 3. We know that it's too big, so we're going to have to go into a decimal answer. To start things off, I'm going to write down a couple of zeros after the decimal point. This doesn't change our value 3, but it does give us somewhere for our remainders to go. So 8 goes into 3 0 times, leaving us a remainder of 3. So 8 into 30. If you don't remember your 8 times table, you have plenty of space to write it down. 8, then just add 8 each time. 8 add 8 is 16. 16 add 8 is 24. 24 add 8 is 32. 30, and keep going. And it's always useful to have the times table that you're stuck on written down the side of the page. That way you can take your time making sure that you're adding up correctly and not make any mistakes. There's no point ever going higher than 9 times, because once you've got past that, then you've gone something wrong in your division. So 8 into 30 goes 1, 2, 3. That was 24, so that leaves us with 6 remainder. Pass that across to the next column, means we've got 60. 8 into 60 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves us with 4 remainder. So we're going to need an extra 0 here. 4. 8 into 40 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exactly, with no remainder. Don't forget to put the decimal point back in, which gives you your answer of 0.375. If you did that with 6/8, so it would be 6 divided by 8, your answer would come out as 0.75, which is another way, a decimal version of 75%.